Question number 12 from Standard 5. An analyst has several groups of clients who are categorized according to their specific needs. Compared to research report distributed to all of the clients reports for a specific group. So यहाँ पे as per needs of the client, like someone wants to invest only into small caps, or their need are like short term, they are in a need of like short term basis पे invest किया है, anything, the needs can be different. So they are categorized as per their needs. So you can see that it is something like composite. They are clubbed together in one of the composite, or they are categorized as per their specific needs. So compared to the research report which are distributed to the entire audience, now if the research report are distributed to only specific group, so specific that composite जिनका सबका need same है, then in that case let's see क्या दिया है options में. In that case, reports for a specific group, option A, are required to include more basic facts, are not permitted by the codes and standard. It is nothing like that. As per standard 5, analyst can include some of the basic facts and can exclude some of the basic facts. So it depends on analyst के क्या include करना चाहिए, क्या exclude करना चाहिए. So it is not a violation of the standard. Even if some things are included, some are excluded, it is completely fine. So as per the communication with clients and prospective clients, it is only required कि क्या include किया है, क्या exclude किया है, ये थोड़ा सा, if someone asks and comes to you and asks, you should be able to provide the details completely. But it is up to analyst कि क्या include करना है, क्या exclude करना है. Now, in this question, the research report is going to a particular crowd. It is going to a particular group of people जिनका सबका need same है. Then in that case, it is okay to exclude more basic facts. So generally, which is mentioned in option C. So generally ऐसे होता है, if the research report is going to a wider audience, then in that case it is required to mention or include more and more basic facts so that it would be understandable to all. So in that case, option A would have been correct, but यहाँ पे it is going to a specific group, so it is okay. So may generally exclude more basic fact. Still, someone comes to you and asks कि ये क्या है, and they want an explanation on that thing, then you should be in a position to explain, or you should have all those details with you. Whatever data you are mentioning in your research report, why you are coming to that conclusion, everything should be with you. So the correct answer for this question is C.